Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Today is January 15th, 2024. Here I'm making a video to show around my factory, and I am the owner of my factory. Let me show around my factory now. Here we can see 10 ton per day capacity, cube ice machine. This one, it's equipped with one bigger piston compressor, water cooling condenser. And here are two set of 30 ton per day capacity cube ice machines. They are all equipped with a bigger screw compressor, evaporative condenser. They are the same machine and they are for the same customer. This is the 20 ton per day capacity cube ice machine. It's equipped with one handbell screw compressor, water cooling condenser. And this is the water cooling condenser. This is the 5 ton per day flake ice machine in function. This is the 5 ton per day capacity cube ice machine, equipped with the bigger piston compressor, 15 horsepower bigger compressor, water cooling condenser. Okay, now let's go inside of my factory. Here you can see many smaller capacity cube ice machines. 5 ton per day. This is the 5 ton per day with the flash coat compressor. 5 ton per day with the REFCOM compressor. 5 ton per day with the flash coat compressor. 1 ton per day. This is the piston compressor, air cooled. 2 ton per day, air cooled. And these are 5 ton per day capacity incomplete. By the side of this machine, we have a 30 ton per day capacity cube ice machine. And there with the split design. The ice generator and the compression condenser unit, they are separated from each other. They will be located in different areas. Let's check it from another angle. It's not complete yet. And this is the 1 ton per day capacity cube ice machine. Here we have some big capacity flake ice machines in stock. It's waiting for the container for loading. 4 set of 20 ton per day capacity flake ice machines. 1 set of 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machine. And this is the area we make all the cube ice generators. And then we do the assembly over there. Okay, and this is the area we keep all the material and the components for making cube ice generators. Okay, so this is all I want to show about my factory in January. Again, this is Mike. You're welcome to contact me for cube ice machine and the flake ice machines.